GoHighLevel free trial options are the best way to find out if the platform is right for your business without committing straight away. If you're interested in trying it, I've left a special link in the description and pinned comment below. My advice is to treat the trial like you're already a customer. Build a funnel, create a website, import your contacts, set up automation workflows, and test the CRM with real data. That's the quickest way to see whether GoHighLevel fits your workflow and saves you time. Using the link below gives you access to an extended 30-day free trial, so you won't feel pressured to make a decision after only a couple of weeks. It gives you enough time to learn the platform, experiment with its features, and see what works best for your business. Signing up is simple. Click the link, create your account, complete the standard registration process, and you'll be ready to start exploring everything GoHighLevel has to offer. I've also included a few exclusive bonuses for anyone who signs up through that page. You can find the full breakdown in the description below. So, if you've been looking for a GoHighLevel free trial, use the link below, activate your extended trial, and see for yourself what the platform can do.